Hi friends, welcome to penhouse.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Sheaffer Award Fountain Pen, and this is complete made of plastic, which is in a green and a lined black color design. And as usual, in Sheaffer, all Sheaffer branded, there will be a white color round dot, but here it is given in the silver color round one, and also the Sheaffer clip, which has a space in between, and there is a black color plastic round shaped thing is there, and here it is given Sheaffer USA is mentioned there, and this is a silver color clip and also a silver color button, bottom button on the bottom, and here there is a white color plastic thing is there, and this is a click type opening, and this is Sheaffer's nib, which has the brand's name Sheaffer was mentioned in this nib, which is also a fine tipped one, and this feeder is a little bulgy and has very space, very quite grooves on the feeder, and here on the grip portion there is a plastic finished one, a leather like one, a rubber is there, and this will give a quite good grip to hold and soft smooth one. And here this is a thread type opening, and also there is a cartridge inside this, and you can also use a converter for this. The same cartridge we are having in our site. For this pair you can check in our site penhouse.in. This 6-piece cost 20 rupees. For that you can go to our site, click pen spares, then go to cartridge, and there you can use a filter and make a query on what you require. And now to the diameters. This is 8.9 mm. This is more suitable for little fingers and for adults too. And this is 12.9 mm, the body's diameter, and the length of the pen without cap is 120.9 mm, and with cap it is 127.4 mm, and with this measurements you can get some idea about the holders or pouch for this pen. And I think each thing have to be maintained properly, so as for this pen you can better use a pouch. We are having those pouches also, single pen or double pen or 4 pen pouches also we are having. You can check in our site. And on the important thing, pens maintenance, please wash the pens twice a month, because all the dye-based ink like our Penhouse ink or Brill Roy Dayton, so like those dye-based ink will precipitate on the longer usage, so it will blocks the ink's passage in the feeder, so you will get a scratchy writing, and slowly the ink will dry quickly, and then you may have to shake the pens for the ink flow to come out, and I think you might experience the reason is the blockage in the feeder screw. So to clean the deposits and dirts, please remove the feeder and the nib unit separately by holding this and twist and pull this. Whatever pen it may be, you can just try to twist and pull. There are two different type of removing the feeder and the nib portion from the grip portion. So that is a friction type one, and another is a twist type one, screw type one. And this is a friction type one. You can easily turn and pull this out. I'm not very sure about that, but you can try this, pull it out, try and pull it out, and after removing you can flush the feeder with the help of a toothbrush or any brush and clean it well with soap water or in tap water. If you are soaking in soap water, then allow it for an hour and brush and clean. And In some ink bottles itself, you can notice on every fill it is recommended to clean the pen with water. So here, this is Brill bottle. It is given here. Clean your pen with water before filling with Brill ink, and this will prevents clogging and quick dry on paper. It is given here, and yeah, and so it is clear. Unless otherwise we have a good cleaning and maintenance, the flow will be affected. And few nibs need to be fine-tuned, because while during manual assembly of nibs the tines may stick together, so gently push the tines up and down, so you will get a space in between the tines, so you will get a good ink flow and smooth writing both. And whenever we dispatch the pens to our customer, we do this fine-tuning and we will check before dispatch. This is our usual practice. And now I'm going to give the writing sample of this pen. Here I'm using our Penhouse violet color dye-based ink. This is a fine nib, which tip is looking like extra fine. Very smooth. Extraordinary smooth writing. And yeah, if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to a mobile number. You can find our mobile number in our penhouse.in site itself. And thanks for watching this video. Thank you.